Hi everyone, morning. My name is James Kincaid. As we all know that if you have got the kidney disease, you have to follow the 4 steps. The first step is that you have to know what kind of kidney disease that you have got. You have to know the source, the main reason, the root of the disease. Second, you will have to find a very noted doctor, very famous nephrologist. He or she must be very seasoned doctor. Third, you have to know how to use the effective medicine to target your disease. We say the targeted medicine. Fourth, finance. This is very important. If you have enough finance, you can afford for your treatment. This is very important. These 4 factors are indispensable. Today, I would like to recommend you a very famous Chinese noted nephrologist, Professor Hongtao. And if you want to find Professor Hongtao for your kidney disease problem, please contact by WhatsApp as following as the number. So now I would like to introduce Professor Hongtao. Look at this. This is Professor Hongtao. Professor Hongtao. The brief introduction to Hongtao. He is a chief physician, director of the Department of Nephrology, Standing Committee and Secretary General of World Federation of Chinese Medicine Nephropathy, Nephrology Professional Committee, China Integrative Medicine Nephropathy, Professional Committee Standing Committee. He has been engaged in Chinese medicine and integrative medicine combined with clinical, scientific research and teaching more than 20 years. Kidney disease is his main research direction. He is good at using traditional Chinese medicine and integrative medicine to treat chronic renal failure, nephrotic syndrome, acute and chronic glomerular nephritis, IgA nephrology, memories nephrology, diabetic nephrology, intestinal nephritis and other diseases. At the same time, he is committed to periodical dialysis and other blood purification therapy research. In recent years, he has published more than 20 academic papers, edited 2 articles on medical theory, such as A Traditional Chinese Medicine versus L'Occult Post-Test for Treating IgA Nephrology, Study Protocol for a Randomized Controlled Trial, and Association between Red Blood Cell Distribution, Whiteness, and All-Cause Mortality in Chronic Kidney Disease Patients, a Systematic Review and a Meta-Analysis. After we have known about Professor Hongtao, who is a very famous and seasoned nephrologist, and he is not only good at the treatment of the disease, but also he is very acquisite in his techniques by using traditional Chinese medicine to treat all the patients. And every kidney disease patient, if you have any symptoms of the kidney disease, please, you may find him, he is very, very serious about every patient. after we have known that how that Professor Yang Hongtao is working in the ward, how Yang Hongtao, Professor Yang, is working and is serious about the patients of the kidney disease. Now, let's look at how the patients themselves do the recommendation. How do they have the recommendatory remarks on Professor Yang Hongtao? Now, let's watch this video.
Yes, hi, my name is Bernadette Davis, and I'm from the Netherlands. And what brought me here was that I have chronic kidney disease, and I'm at stage 3-4 actually. And since I've come in the last week and a half, almost going on 2 weeks, I noticed when I first got here, my creatinine was quite high and all the other values were quite high. And within a week, from the treatments that I've been getting and tested, been run on me, they were able to bring my creatinine down quite a bit, and some other factors, values. And since also I have high blood pressure, and that is something was quite critical when I got here, and now it's normal. Can you imagine that? It's normal. So I'm really pleased about that. My high blood pressure has never been more normal in a week and a half, and has been stabilized. One of the things I want to mention is that thinking to come as a patient here, please do not wait until the last moment. I urge you to, if you see that your kidney values and your kidney is really decreasing, try to get here as soon as possible. They can really help you when it's in that stage. When you come towards end stage, they try to stabilize you and help you as much as they can, but they cannot perform miracles, So really, truly try to come the moment you know and you're able to. Pull it together, get your finances together, and do make that step. You will not be disappointed.
For the time being, we are come to the close of today's program. So if you would like to have the appointment with Dr. Yang and Professor Yang Hongtao, so please contact his assistant, Dr. Judy, and I think by phone or by WhatsApp, as you have seen on the screen. Thank you so much. Bye.